Hi everybody, it's just a couple weeks before the Data Insight Summit in Chicago and I'm super excited about it. I'll be talking about my favorite topic. It's my topic of the year. It is end user adoption or report consumer adoption. And before Summit on the workshop day, I'm even offering an exam cram workshop for the PL300. And it's not just for people who want to take the PL300 exam, although that's who it's initially intended for. We're going to be going over some fundamentals of things. So if you're somebody who is self-taught and you feel like you might be missing out on some things like what is query folding and why do I care about it, then this probably would be a good session for you as well. I hope to see you there. The dates are September 12th through the 14th. Like I said, I'm going to be there, and you can see the email address right there, datainsightsummit.us. There's going to be tons of great people there. I'm so excited. I get to hang out with some of my very dear friends like Kevin Arnold and Chris Wagner and Alex Power. And oh my gosh, there's more and I can't even think of who they are, but there's so many people. It's worth checking out and I hope to see you there. Bye.